Explore Volusia County, Florida's best coast. Interested in blazing new trails? Visit one of our area parks. Make memories at Blue Springs State Park. Take in the history of the Thursby House. View our gentle sea cow, the Florida manatee. Cool off in the springs. The spring cave is perfect for divers. You won't find real manatee here, but you will meet scrub jays in their natural habitat and the occasional gopher tortoise, all while walking the scenic trails at Lionia Preserve. The appropriately named Green Springs is a great place to enjoy nature. Make your own breakfast in an authentic sugar mill. Here's a tip. This is the best way to encounter Florida wildlife. Meander along these scenic trails which connect our area springs. Several waterways along the trail feed into Florida's longest river, the St. Johns River, one of the few worldwide that flow north. Spend an afternoon at the Marine Science Center, known for bird and turtle rehabilitation, educational programs, and environmental exhibits. Climb Turtle Mound at the Canaveral National Seashore. You'll find the Eldora State House on the river. Cross the street and you'll experience miles of secluded beach. Follow the Ormond Loop to view nature in a different way. After you've done it all, remember to take time and relax. Contact one of our visitor centers for more information. They'll be happy to help you create the perfect Florida experience.